Hey you guys, in this video you have to choose one deck. This is Rider-Waite Tarot. This is Rider-Waite Tarot deck. This is Lightseer's Tarot deck. Okay, both of the decks are my favorite decks. Okay, so sometimes I have to choose and I don't choose. Okay, I just pick one. But this one was my first ever deck that I bought, and I literally wanted this. But this is a very authentic, like every tarot card reader starts with this deck. Okay, so pick any deck. We have like pick a deck reading. Okay, pick any deck. This reading is gonna be for you. Okay, if you pick Lightseer's deck, I'm going to do the first reading for you, then we will do the other reading if you pick the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. Okay, any people who have this Lightseer's Tarot deck, if you have chosen this deck, let's see what's your reading. Okay, by the way guys, any of you who wants to get your personal readings done, contact me through WhatsApp. Find the number in description box. Okay, what's your reading? We have the Tower, Nine of Wands, Four of Swords, and Knight of Pentacles. Okay, this is regarding a person who left you. This is regarding a person who left you. This is supposed to be your lover. There is like no contact situation with you guys. There is a no contact situation with you guys. You are trying to heal with thinking that this person has left your space, and there is like you have put up boundaries in the past with this person. There is something of a healing coming for you. Okay, we have nine of cups. Why is this card here? And we have Three of Swords. This person broke your heart very strongly, and you have like this came to you when you were not expecting any help with the situation. You did not even know that this situation would occur for you. This is triple two energy with the Nine of Cups, which means that you received this particular heartbreak. You received this particular tower moment between you and your lover. This was actually in favor for you. We have Two of Swords in here. Yeah, so you don't know what to do. You don't know which direction to choose. Whether you want to choose your lover, whether you want to choose your boundaries. Okay, so something is coming with number 9 very strong for you. We have Four of Wands. Okay, we have number 9 Hermit. So triple nine for you, triple two for you. We have the Moon card for you. Yeah, there is something that you need to spend your time with yourself, something that coming with you need to spend your time in more like a spiritual growth apart from your lover. Okay, so this is coming to me as you need to grow with your finances. You need to strengthen your roots. So roots is coming very strong. Triple three also coming for you people. So number 4 is also for you. Four of Cups. Okay, you don't know what to do. You're not very satisfied right now with your there is a life that you're living right now, which I'm feeling like very strong life, alone life. And this is coming to me as that it's it's the best for you right now. Double four energy, yes, it's the best for you. Sometimes you feel like you have nothing to do. Sometimes you feel like your life is a bit lonely or something. No, but it's because you need to heal. It's because there is some kind of a generational curse that you are breaking. You have to break. You know what it is, what it means for you. Okay, any person who breaks a generational curse, they actually look at that, the Strength card, and we have Page of Pentacles. So any person who breaks a generational curse has a they have more like their circumstances. You know what I am talking about. You started with something that you said that what, this is what I am supposed to do. You know your soul purpose. So for that you need to grow your finances. For that you need to grow your root chakra is very strong for you. This is the strength card, and we have page of pentacles. Okay, something about your situation coming up. The any people who chose this light seers deck, your situation is coming up to me like, be strong. I know that you want to live a life of completion. You want to live a life of, where there is happiness, where there is great things. But trust me, you are going on a very supreme transformation in your life, and that transformation is not for a limited time. That's not a rebirth, when you have a rebirth and rebirth and no, that's not that. You are changing your whole, your whole generations and generations, and the more generations to come. You are that person, triple five with that. Okay, now there is one situation coming up regarding your house, regarding your home, regarding your family. Something is coming about that also, which is telling me that have strength, have that strong faith within you, that this is all happening for you to achieve a bigger and bigger and bigger thing that you have dreamt of. Okay, something had to come to surface, and things are, you know things will come to surface on their own time. Do not pressure your own self, that you want to get out of somewhere. Okay, there is some kind of within. Yeah, so this is more about talking about your roots, and this is more about, there is something under the carpet, and a lot of things will cleared up. But this is not something that you need to be feeling pressured about every single day. Okay, let it go on its own pace. Okay, so that was your reading, anybody who chose the light seers. Okay, all right, anybody who chose this deck, Rider Waite Tarot deck, let's see what you're reading. Okay, the Moon, very first card, Two of Pentacles. Okay, High Priestess, Three of Swords. Okay, so I'm still getting that I need more clarity on this one. Seven of Swords, a very, very, very strong reading for anyone who have chosen this deck. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, yeah, I'm getting a lot of people try to hurt you. This is coming to me as you're away from your lover. This is coming to me as this person gave you a heartbreak. This person, you tried every part of you to be with this person. You have, this person was, not very good for you. This person had been doing a lot of behind the scenes things that you don't know yet. Okay, now there is some kind of healing that needs to happen within you. Your you need to know the truth of life. So you could be someone, so whosoever I'm talking to with this particular reading, you could be someone, oh my god, someone of a, era changer. Okay, so usually I say trendsetter. You are like a era changer. Who is like a era changer? Like a Buddha. Okay, enlightenment. So life is calling out to you again and again that you need to know the truth. You need to know the, so truth is like pulling you towards the truth. Okay, so you need to follow your own, whatever enlightenment you receive from universe, whatever things that universe gives to you. Maybe it could be a past life things that you have your thoughts about. Maybe it's about the universe that you see in your dreams, or maybe when your eyes are closed. This is coming to me as you are understanding the life as not as a philosopher, but what the truth actually is. Okay. I'm also getting that a lot of people have hurt you, a lot of people have given you so much of illusion, so much of backstabs. They have kept you in negative thoughts. They have kept you believing that they were great, and um, you had your trust was broken. So anybody who have chosen this deck, you people have have evolved like it. And how much evolved? It's more like there is one thing that is coming to you very very strong, that within you there is a person, there is a spirit, there is a soul, there is an energy who tells you that this is right and this is wrong. It could be, you can call it intuition, you can call it God within you, you can call it the truth within you, you can call it the ability to seek. So you could be a seeker. Okay, what you are seeking is basically that thing is seeking you. And this is not something that I'm just saying. What you're seeking is the truth. Just like Buddha seeked the truth, and that was like something about the enlightenment. Okay, so this is coming for you. Although you have a different aura to yourself, because I see a lot of people giving you heartbreaks, a lot of people giving you tension, stresses, without a reason. You are being focused for nothing. Okay, it's because you have a calling. It's because something is trying to come to you with a sense of, like, something is telling me that you're very enlightened. Somebody, like, I have a lot of light in this particular reading, and this is coming as a soul growth, evolving. And you you're gonna be a sensation, not in just like a YouTube sensation, not in just like people know. You are very very grounded, you are a very grounded person. So when this Queen of Pentacles came, I know that you've left everybody and anybody away from your life. You've just left them away, and you're happy with your groundedness. You're happy thinking about money. You're happy thinking about your own position, where you are in your house, in your personal space. And that makes you really really grounded, happy, enlightened. And you can focus on yourself and focus on peace and calm, and you can understand all the energies that. So you very much understand that there is no permanent bliss. Okay, you very much understand that. Okay, you have a realization within you that life is not always going to be awesome. This is a circle of life. You know happy things come and weird things come, and you have no control over it. So you are just letting it go, and you always surround yourself with so much calm, so much peace, so much of groundedness, that that there are different energies working in the universe around you also, because you are not apart from this universe, you are a part of this universe. And you very much understand this, that being grounded, understanding your own divine nature is very important. And just so that you can actually find peace. And what peace means, so you have a very very um evolved soul. Anybody who has picked this deck. Okay, let's see more. One more card please. Yeah, the Hierophant card. I told you you're gonna be a sensation. When I couldn't tell you that this is also coming in the reading, I did not say it, but you are the key. Okay, just like Buddha received enlightenment, the Hierophant card is coming. You are the key. You are going to enlighten a lot of other people. So your lessons, your speakings, your wisdom is important for the world. Okay, that's how big of a sensation you are. Maybe you don't realize it today, but in the coming time you will be speaking the words of truth, the words of enlightenment. And the way I'm speaking has been like curiosity to me, more telling to you what this reading is coming on. But you will have a very simple, you're like a simplicity, you are the um, ease, you are the simplicity, you are more like sophistic. So this is, when rich people are sophisticated, it's another level of sophistication which I'm not talking about. You are rich from heart, you're rich from your mind, you're rich from your soul, you are evolved, you are rich from your evolvement of your soul growth. So that's how simple you are. And the more simple you keep it, the more and more people are coming to you. They are going to seek what you have been seeking all your life. They're going to see. So if you have been seeking a certain thing, that certain thing had made you learn a lot things, seek a lot things, and you learned by seeking one thing, and that was peace. That was how to maintain peace, how to be a simple person, right? So you're like that. Okay, let me find one more card because this is coming very strong. We have the Hangman. Honest honest finders, honest seekers, you are here in this reading. Okay, yeah, five of wands. You stay away from this. You stay away from competition. If you are someone like that, yes, because you have left all of these people away. You have left all of, and see, 1717 is here. Okay, so you have said, bias to a lot of people, and I'm not going to say that you've closed your karmic cycles, because you've just let everyone go, right? Because they are not seeking what you're seeking. They are seeking all the materialism. They are seeking all the you know how do we say it, like, I don't even want to consider those people who you let go in this reading. Okay, all the very best to all of you, even if you chose both the decks. And I feel like both of these readings were enlightenment readings. Both of these readings were blissful readings, very much alignment, spiritual readings. Okay, so yeah, I loved both of the readings. I loved to read it, both the cards, both the readings. Okay, so I love you guys. You can take your personal readings through WhatsApp. Find the number in the description box below. I will see you next time. Lots of love. Bye guys.